Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Plub. The Plub is a 3.5mm headphone jack Bluetooth adapter which allows us to use our wired headphones into our Bluetooth phones, computers, Bluetooth adapters that transmits audio. So basically the Plub, which is this thing over here, the adapter, it will convert our standard wired headphones into Bluetooth, and it will allow us to use it with our Bluetooth devices. And that's nice because sometimes we prefer to use wired headphones because they tend to have better quality than Bluetooth headphones. Of course that depends, and because this converts into Bluetooth, you have to be sure that the source of the audio is of good quality. One good thing of this adapter is that it supports the aptX codec, Bluetooth codec, so sound quality should be pretty good, really fine. So yeah, that's nice. And also it comes with the neck band. This allows us to organize the headphone cable into it and put the Plub adapter into the neck band as well. So, well, actually not inside, it goes over here and then it goes the cable, and yeah, you get the idea. It allows us to organize the cable better. So this project, I backed it in Kickstarter. Today I received it in the United States, so if you haven't received it yet, please be patient, you will receive it. But the good thing is that the people of the project are sending them, so yeah, you will receive it someday. So this is the box that we can see over here. So I told you it has Qualcomm aptX codec. You can see it over here. Here's what is included. It includes the plug, the charging cable, the clip, the manual, and the neck band. So yeah, our product was manufactured in January 15, 2018, so that's nice to know. Pretty much the box is pretty simple. So to open it, I have to cut over here. Wait a second. So I'll be opening this. Here we go. Alright, wow, it looks beautiful what we see here. We have the neck band here. This is the neck band where you insert the okay, you organize the cables on. Oh yeah, you put the plug here actually, and then the cables goes all the way here, and then you organize it here, and then yeah, the cables comes out here. So it's pretty nice because that way it's pretty organized. We have here the plug. This is the actual Bluetooth adapter, and you can see here goes the headphone jack, and there is a reset button there. It's pretty simple actually, or I believe this is an LED as well. Reset the headphone jack, and you can see, let's see if it focused a little. There we go. It has the name here, the Plub name, and yeah, it's pretty much simple. It doesn't weight a lot, so that's nice. Has the logos over here, and yeah, this is the Plub. And so here we have the charging cable. As you can see, the plug also charges using the headphone jack, so that also provides power. We also have here the clip. This is the clip that goes here so you can clip it. It's pretty nice. So yeah, the cable is short. It's like the cable from the Apple Nano, iPod Nano, I believe it. No, the Nano, the Shuffle, the iPod Shuffle. So it's pretty similar. This is the cable. And then we have here the user guide, which will allow us to use it. Chinese instructions over here, and English instructions on the other side. So yeah, it's pretty simple. There's nothing more over here. So to conclude this video, we have the neckband here, we have the user guide, we have the charging cable, and we have the neckband. I mean the plug. This is the neckband and this is the adapter, the plug. And yeah, so I was telling you that, well, basically, if you wanna use the neckband, you place the plug here, there we go, and then put the cable, the headphone, and the cable goes over there. You get the idea, right? Well, that's nice. And so let's test it. The next step is to test it. We connect our headphones here, and yeah, it should power on. So I'll take a look on how this works in a later video, because right now that's all for this video. I was going to demonstrate that you plug it in and that's it. So this is pretty simple to use. So yeah, let's put this over here. This is pretty nice that it came up. I put it the wrong way. Or no, I actually may have. Oh yeah. So yeah, this concludes this unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is a project from Kickstarter that I backed up some time ago. So this is what I got. The pledge was the reward that was with the neckband, the plug and the neckband. So yeah, that's what you'll see here. So that's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.